Brake Safety Week is an enforcement and education campaign by the CVSA that covers all of North America. Its purpose is to enhance brake safety on commercial vehicles by conducting inspections. So what is Brake Safety Week? Over a 7-day period, law enforcement will be out inspecting commercial vehicles. This year, there will be a specific focus on brake drums and rotors. Put that in the video. In 2025, Brake Safety Week is taking place from August 24th to the 30th. So here's why Brake Safety Week matters. Brake issues are the leading cause of out-of-service violations for commercial motor vehicles.
Put that in the video.
If you have a problem with your brakes, it can lead to increased stopping distances, makes your vehicle harder to control, and ultimately leads to an increased risk of accidents. What is my next line? Here's what inspectors will be looking for. Side-by-side visuals. That'll be like level 1 and 5 inspections. Missing, cracked, or loose parts. Worn or cracked pads and linings. S-cam flip over and air leaks. Slack adjusters, including brake chambers matching on each axle. Air system pressure should be at about 90 to 100 psi. And pushrod travel measurements. They'll be looking for non-manufactured holes or rust in the drum and broken parking brake springs. Warning devices, that'll be your ABS lamp and low air warnings, and finally, tractor protection and breakaway systems.
That's a lot of words. Too bad I'm not reading them.
The consequences of non-compliance are real. Any brake-related issue can result in your truck being out of service, sidelined until the issue is fixed. It can also lead to fines, delays, towing, impact your CSA score, and your reputation. Here's some tips. Do your pre- and post-trip visual inspection. Check for cracks, wear, rust, and grooves. Follow manufacturer specs, and service your truck on a regular basis. Think you're an expert on pre-trip inspections? Tell us what we missed in our article. You can find it at driveforats.com in the Learning Center. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. That's what I do.